Hey everybody, I'm going to teach Pinon Form 4 for you. I'm going to do it 2 times. I'm going to do it facing the camera, and then I'm going to do it with my back to the camera because the kata has a lot of techniques in it. It has a lot of techniques going to the sides. It has a lot of techniques going on angles, and it has a lot of techniques going backwards. So you're going to need to see it from both portions. I'm going to teach it slowly and explain what we're doing. So we start the kata by going into a cup and saucer with our hands open. So first we'll bow, us, and then we bring our hands to our right side with the left hand on top. Then I look to my left and I move to my left into a back stance, and I do double forearm block with my hands open, just like Pinon Form 2. I bring my hands to my left side into an open hand cup and saucer as I move to my right with a double forearm block. When I come forward, I pull my hands to my right pectoral muscle. My left hand is down, my right hand's on top of my left hand. I move my left foot forward into an X block. I come back to a cup and saucer on my left side with my right hand on top. I move my right foot forward into a back stance, double arm block. From here, I step my feet together using my back leg. My back leg comes up, my hands go to my left, and I look to my left on this. I bring my hands back forward, I'm looking forward now. I bring my hands back to cup and saucer on my right side. From here, I do a back fist and a side kick, rechamber my leg, step into a reverse elbow. From this position here, I look forward, I draw my right foot to my left foot, throw my hands to the right as I'm looking at the right. Then I look forward as I bring my hands back in front and pull back. I look to my right, I do a side kick, a back fist, grab, reverse elbow. Now I look forward, I do what I call a chop block. The hand that's on my elbow protects my head as my left hand comes down and protects my groin. Now the hand that comes down, my left hand comes back to my head, protects my head, and I chop at his neck. I front kick with my right leg. I step in front, my left foot comes behind into a cross-legged stance. At that time, I fan block his arm. I grab his arm, hit him in the neck, and I pull that hand back to my hip. From here, I'm going to turn to my left. So I'm spinning, I'm untangling my legs, but not by stepping. I'm untangling my legs by turning. I step on the angle to the left. From this position, I do an X block over my head. Pull my arms apart, turn my right hand palm up. I front kick as I pull my right hand back to my hip. I pull, front kick, thrust punch, reverse punch. I pull my left hand back to my hip so both hands are on my hips. Pull the right foot back, turn to the right and do an X block. So I'm repeating what I just did on the opposite side of the body. When my hands get shoulder width apart, I turn into a front stance. I turn my left hand now palm up. I pull my left hand back to my hip. I front kick, thrust punch, reverse punch. Pull my hands back to cup and saucer. Move my left foot over. Double arm block in a back stance. Cup and saucer on the left. Double arm block in a back stance. Cup and saucer on the right. Double arm block in a back stance. Reach out to grab him and turn into a front stance. Knee him with your right knee, pull him down. Push him away, fold your arms, left hand on top, step on the angle, turn, Sutto. Look to your right, fold your arms, step on the angle, Sutto. Bring your right foot back to your left foot, bow, us, cross your hands, move your left foot over, come into position.